everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new. I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content here on this channel. So today I'm trying a new brand that I've never tried before. It's Nasty Gal, and they look to be a little bit more alternative, but they have some cute trendy pieces that I was obsessed with and needed to try. So the first one is this top. I only got 4 things just because I didn't know about their sizing, and their stuff is a little bit more pricey than like Boohoo, Forever 21, stuff like that. So I didn't want to go overboard, but I did get some really good things. So this first one is a plus size ruched chiffon blouse. I got this in a size US 24 and this was around $25. It has a super cute sleeve. I love how it just flows and it goes in at multiple spots, and it's a ruched material. This is so cute. I love how the bodice of the shirt, if you will, it's not see-through, but the arms are. I hate when like the whole thing is see-through and then I have to like plan a tank top under it. It's just like too much coordination. This will look so cute with jeans. I do have leggings on right now just to be comfortable, so I wouldn't pair these with leggings at all, but it is a super cute top. I think it's so nice. It has like that scrunched back, the smocking I think it's called. Super comfortable, and I'm really impressed by this. They have it in white and other colors, but I didn't want to get it in white until I knew how it fit in black, because black was a little bit more safe for me. And you can like definitely make it like completely off the shoulder or lift it up to cover bra straps and all that. So this is definitely a great start. I did notice though that you have to size up in their clothing. So yeah, this again is the 24. All right, this next dress is something that I've tried from a few other brands and they haven't quite gotten it right, but this one I think is super cute. So this is the plus size belted mini shirt dress. It's in a cottony material, that beautiful tan color that I love. It has little like tortoiseshell buttons going down, and it's definitely a mini dress, but this one is the cutest one that I've seen so far. So this material I love way more than the other ones I've tried. This one is more of that cotton, like linen feeling material, so it's super comfortable. It'll definitely keep you warm during the fall and winter, but you're not gonna overheat if you run hot like I do. And it just feels so nice. I love how you can adjust this little belt to give you some shape. I don't do well if it's a t-shirt dress without some shape in it. And I like the mini size of it. I think it's really flattering when it hits just above my knee. I'm 5'4" for reference, like 5'4", 5'5". So just keep that in mind. If you're taller, this might pull a teeny bit short on you. And if you're very tall, you could use this as like a tunic top. I do love how it has kind of like the minor balloon sleeve. I think that's like a super cute touch. I definitely should have steamed this before trying it on, but I was kind of running out of time because I needed to film this, but it still is so cute. And this I got for $25. This is a size 24, and again, had to size up in this. Normally I'm a size 20 to 22 depending on the brand and the style and whatever, but just on my body I had to get a 24. So I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna keep this. I think this will be cute for the fall. This would be great for if I'm running errands, getting brunch, going on a date, whatever I feel like doing, I feel like I can do in this. And I just need to figure out this little collar situation. I like it when it's like open. And then if you had like a layered necklace in your little bag, ooh, so cute. Okay, so this next dress is a maxi dress. This is the plus size shirred tie back maxi dress in a size 22. So this one I didn't go for a 24 in, but it's a little bit big on me. I would definitely need to size down once. So I'm gonna back it on up so you can see. But it is a floor length maxi dress. It has kind of like that square neckline. It has a little balloon half sleeve. It's a shirred top. And then there is a tie in the back. I'm sorry, you can see that tag. Let me put that in. So there's the back. It's just a little cutout back, and it doesn't go too low so it can still hide your bra. This is very comfortable. It feels like a very substantial dress. It would be absolutely perfect for fall. However, I just got it a size too big. So I would say size down in this dress actually. So I'm normally a 22, I would get this in at most a 20. It's still comfortable and I could make it work if I wanted to, but I just feel like if it's too big, these are gonna kind of slide down. and then the back is gonna have some gaps or whatever. But this is like a really nice piece, and this one I paid $38 for, so a teeny bit pricey for one of these websites, but it's so cute. So this last piece that I got is a mini dress. It is the plus size puff sleeve square neck mini dress. I got it in a size 24 because I feared it was going to be too tight on me. However, it is a size or two too big. So it is a mini dress. It's super cute and flowy. You have the long half balloon sleeve. It is a square neck. It fits really nice. It's really cute. It's just a little bit too big. I'm definitely gonna reorder this because I think this is gonna be perfect for fall, but like in my appropriate size. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a 20 or 22, but I think even just going to a 22 is gonna be too small. So I think I'm gonna go to a 20 in this. So size down in this piece for sure. But it's super cute. It's a nice cotton material. It feels super comfortable. Literally, I'm kind of impressed with Nasty Gal. I didn't realize that I would like their pieces this much. So for my initial review of Nasty Gal, I think it's worth it. I think the price point is good for the quality that you're getting. You don't need to size up in their clothing from what I'm gathering. Just size appropriately. You may even need to size down. So it's kind of like boohoo sizing. I was assuming it was gonna run small, but it did not. So I'm glad that they have a pretty good plus size range, and it goes up to, I think, a 24 or a 26, depending on the piece. I definitely think I got a few winners in this haul. I'm gonna be exchanging some for different sizes, but overall, pretty good brand. Some of it is a little bit out there for me and I wouldn't wear it, but they do have some really fun elevated neutrals and basic pieces that I think are well worth it. And as always, I just want you to know that you deserve to be comfortable and confident in whatever it is that you're wearing. Let me know what brand that you feel the most confident wearing. Lately, Skims has been making me feel some type of way because their fabric is so buttery, but this one, still great as well. And if you like my fashion videos, please feel free to subscribe. I put out videos every Thursday and Sunday, sometimes a little bonus video here and there, and I sprinkle fashion videos amongst other lifestyle and beauty videos here on this channel. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.